Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. As we continue with our Grid Explorer demonstration, our focus will shift to the exploration of the Group By feature. This feature allows users to organize and analyze data more effectively. Let's get started. Go to Grid Explorer and click Grouping. Let's group our data by stage. You can group your data by more than one field. We can add the group by close date. Grouping data by more than one field can help you gain deeper insights into your data and make more informed decisions. That's it. Thank you for watching.